Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Kandy who lived in a small village in Sri Lanka. Kandy's father was a farmer and worked hard to provide for his family. Despite the challenges of living in a rural area, Kandy was a happy girl who loved spending time with her family. One of Kandy's favorite things to do was to go to the nearby city of Kandy. She loved to explore the city and see all of the different sights and sounds. Kandy was especially fascinated by the colorful markets, the beautiful temples, and the busy streets. One day, Kandy's mother told her that they were going to Kandy for the day. Kandy was overjoyed and couldn't wait to go on this special adventure. She quickly got dressed and packed a small bag with some snacks and water. When they arrived in Kandy, Kandy's mother took her to visit some of the famous temples in the city. Kandy was in awe of the intricate carvings and the vibrant colors of the temples. She also loved visiting the markets and trying some of the delicious street food. Later in the day, Kandy and her mother went for a walk along the picturesque lake. They stopped to admire the beautiful flowers and to watch the boats as they bobbed up and down on the water. Kandy felt so happy and content, and she knew that this was a day she would never forget. As the day came to a close, Kandy and her mother made their way back to their village. Kandy's father was waiting for them, and he was so happy to see that they had a wonderful day in the city. Kandy hugged her parents tightly, grateful for the love and support they always gave her. From that day on, Kandy cherished the memories of her day in Kandy and looked forward to visiting the city again in the future. She was proud of her roots in the village and grateful for the love and support of her family. And she knew that no matter where life took her, her heart would always belong to her village and her family.